Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to guide you through our cost center and budgeting functionality. You can manage budgets right in Approveit. To do that, you have to go to the cost center section and create a new cost center. For example, I have created a cost center called Sales. For this cost center, you can assign a budget, so you can choose a monthly, quarterly, or yearly budget. For my cost center, I have a yearly budget, as you can see right here. What can I see? I can see that the budget for the cost center called Sales is split among several categories. For example, I have a budget for the category travel, I have a budget for the category consulting and accounting, and so on and so forth. So, how does it work? Each time when your requesters create purchase orders, the total amount of purchase orders created in a particular category in a particular cost center appears here in the committed column. Each time when your requesters create bills and these bills get approved, the total amount of such bills appears in the spend column right here. You can always view the overspend amount right here. So this is the amount that exceeds your allocated budget. Also, you can go to the section called Breakdown right here, and then you can see all the bills and all the purchase orders associated with your cost center. You can filter, and for example, you can specify that you only want to see the bills, and maybe you want to see the bills in a particular category, or you want to see the purchase orders created for the particular vendor, and you can just filter by vendor. That's how it works. If you still have questions or need help with setting everything up, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.